This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing the Panda pencil and your workspace. First, make sure the tip is sharp or the stylus is charged. A dull tip makes strokes heavy and imprecise. Grip it with a relaxed tripod hold so you control pressure without tension. Once done, rest your forearm on the table to steady motion and position paper or screen at a slight angle. This early setup reduces hand fatigue and gives you consistent lines from the very first stroke. Now you refine how the pencil responds. Practice light, medium, and heavy pressure to learn its feedback. This teaches you when to press for darker marks versus gentle shading. Use short strokes when working on details and longer, fluid strokes for outlines so your work looks intentional. Make sure to vary wrist and whole arm movements. Small wrist motions control detail, while whole arm sweeps create smooth curves. Once you master these, your lines will feel deliberate, and the Panda pencil will become an extension of your hand. Finish by refining contrast and texture. Blend lightly with a stump or fingertip and add crisp highlights with minimal pressure. Make sure to clean the tip or replace the nib periodically to prevent uneven marks. Buildup causes skipping and scratchiness. If the pencil becomes unresponsive, check battery level, reconnect Bluetooth or reset the companion app, and inspect connectors for debris. If problems persist, swap nibs and test on another surface. These quick checks resolve most issues so you stay.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.